Are you also having a power washing business? Then this video is for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your power washing business. For example, you have a power washing business in where your customers can view your brochure, check prices and get contact details. Responding each and every customer manually is a time consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your power washing center business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customers instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of power washing center, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Hydroshine Power Washing. We bring new life to your driveways, walls, patios and more. With powerful, professional cleaning you can trust. How can we help you today? While providing me 3 options, that is our brochure, check prices and contact us. If I'll click on our brochure, then you can see it will provide me one brochure including one button, that is check prices. If I'll click on this, then it will provide me all the pricing details that they are offering to their customer. Also giving me one button, that is more inquiry. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will ask me for my full name. So here I am giving them my full name. Here I provide it. After that you can see it will respond to me like this, that thank you Mehruz Khan for reaching out to Hydroshine Power Washing Center. Our team will connect with you shortly to assist you better. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to contact us by clicking the button below. Also giving me one button, that is contact us. If I'll click on this, then you can see it will provide me the contact details of this Hydroshine Power Washing Center. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your power washing center business, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I am clicking in this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking on this Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. By clicking on this, you can see it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders and in this home section you can see the status of the WhatsApp number that are added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. The ninth one is the activity log, in where you can see all the events and the action you have performed within last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, and the 11th one is the get help. If you want to know more details about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. I am creating WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the flow option. So this is the flow builder page, where you can see a total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our power washing center business, so here I am providing a name. Here I provided. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keywords, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Power Washing Center. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that, I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here. Select media type as image and upload one image related to my Power Washing Center by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I upload this image here because it sounds impactful and interesting towards my customer. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that, I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. You can also write caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. While at the end of this message, you can see I'll ask my customer that how can we help you today. So for answering this, I am providing them some quick buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as our brochure. The second button I'll write as check prices. And the third button I'll write as contact us. Here I write it. Now I'm connecting the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to my message. Now if my customer wants to view the brochure of my power washing center, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of my brochure from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I am also writing one caption in this enter caption box that here's our brochure. Here I write it. I am giving them one button also, that is check prices. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my button as check prices. Here I write it. Now the next one is the check prices. If my clients wants to know the pricing details of my power washing center, then they will click on this button, so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write pricing details. Here I write it. In this also I am giving them one button, that is more inquiry. Here I provided. Now, if my clients will click on this more inquiry button, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this action option, take button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question as please provide your full name. As at first, I want to know the name of my customer. Here I write it. In the select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I already created this field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your customer, then you can write in this box. After that, I'm connecting this circle which are present in front of more inquiry to this message. Here it is connected. Now, whenever my clients will provide me their full name, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my customer by their name. As different customers have different names, so for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. At the end of this, you can see I'll write this message that if you have any doubt or questions, then feel free to contact us by clicking the button below. So here I am giving them one button that is contact us. Here I write it. Now I am connecting this circle also which are present in front of check prices to this message where I can write all the pricing details. Now the last one is the contact us. If my customer wants to directly contact with me as they want the contact details of my power washing center business, then they will click on this button so my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details of my power washing center business. See, here I write it. Now I am also connecting this circle which are present in front of contact us to this message because the response would be the same as whenever my clients will click on this contact us button, then my bot will provide them the contact details of my power washing center. So our flow is completed. Basically, this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your power washing center business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. This bot will automatically respond to your customers like this. It will provide them your brochures, pricing list, and contact details within a seconds. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.